Okay, so we are done with our rice. This is the salad for our rice. This is the almighty Okrosoup and the almighty rice. So we are done. Thank you guys for watching my videos day and night. God bless you. Anyone who loves my doing, God bless you. Anyone who likes my doing, God bless you. Charlie, you guys are great. All my viewers, my subscribers, my loved ones, everyone, God bless everyone for watching my doings. I don't have time to portion anything. Oh. Yeah. The only disability in life is bad character, bad attitude. Charlie, if you have bad attitude, you have to change, because your beauty can take you far. You get it? And your character, your bad attitude will bring you back. So you have bad attitude, it's better you change. I always avoid people with bad attitude. Not, I don't want to talk to them, no. I just want to ignore them, avoid them, because they have bad character. For me to be free my mind when I'm living, I don't want to involve myself with negative people. Yeah. Because I don't have time to prove myself to anyone. So I'm always positive. I'm always positive. Yeah. If I have any proof to people, I'll prove to myself, because it's too late. It's too late. I'm doing the doings. The doings. Charlie. So I don't have time for any negative people. I don't have time for any negative people. If you don't like me, that's your business. Yes. If you hate me, that's your profit. Chew it. Yeah, because I'm always positive. I will not get time to entertain you because you are bad influencer. Yeah. I don't have time for negative people, because if you are very negative, I don't like you. Because I am a system of positive. So if you are we are doing 1 portion of okro soup in my own style. You get it? Yeah, this is my own style of doing my okro stew. I mean okro stew or okro soup, yeah, because how I will call it and how I'm going to enjoy it, get it. Simple style in my own way. So you check how it's prepared. So I have 1 eggplant here. I'm going to clean and cut into 2 and add to my Okrosoup. So as you can see, I have my eggplant, my potatoes and my carrots. So let's add our potatoes here. It's very simple, get it? Yeah. Very, very simple. That's when you try, you go enjoy. There's everything there inside. I have my small meat, you get it? Yeah, see. I have my okra, I have my carrot, I have my potatoes, I have my eggplant. Charlie. This is healthy Okrosoup. The healthy Okrosoup. You see? When you try some, you enjoy it rough. The smell, the taste, you come and see. It's all about Bedianawalkerdoings on YouTube. Me, you see, Bedianawalker vibes on YouTube. Bedianawalkerdoings. Now we did. I just love the smell. It smells good. So late, too late. It's too late. Maya obedia, obia shemi ringo. Me so pressure by rising. I dream no bad thinking. This year sexy body. You be so my yes, sa. Hey, it's too late. It's too late. Okay, so this is my Okrosoup. You get it? It's done. Yeah, it's done. So now our soup is done. Let's come and focus on our boiled rice. Yeah, this is my rice here. I drain no bad thinking. We are focusing on our braised rice. So this is my rice here. Let's add olive oil. I'm adding too much. Okay, so my hot water here. You know how to cook braised rice? Do you know? Okay, so this is the rice. The rice is too much. Hey, it's too much, but no problem. When it's cooked, you will find someone and will give you some. So this is the rice here. All I'll add is salt. Okay, so let's add salt. Add salt. It's done. So we are waiting. Now the soup is done. See. You see how it's boiling. Boiling. Premier or nothing. Our Okrosoup is done. So now we are waiting for the rice to cook, then we enjoy. So guys, it's all about the doings. Bedianawalkerdoings, Bediana shaking, Bediana vibes. Now we there, yeah. It's okra stew or okra soup is done. This is my eggplant. Let me add a little vinegar and lemon juice here. Yes. The reason why I added the eggplant later is, you know, eggplant is very quick to cook. It's not like potatoes or carrots. Yeah, so I added my eggplant later and my lemon juice and my vinegar to later. Yeah, so that the taste can be great. You get it? Yeah. Me every day I cook okra stew or okra soup. After I have finished cooking, I have to, add lemon juice because it makes the taste so great. You get it? Yeah. looking so good. See the rice too. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah. Now I will end up adding my butter, liquid butter. You see? Yeah, so I have added my liquid butter here on my okro soup. Yeah, if you want your cooking to be tasty, don't add your butter in the starting. At the end, the food is coming to cook, then you add your butter. The taste sweet, rough. Yeah, so I love adding butter to my cooking. Yeah, unless I don't have butter. If I have butter, I will add it. For the rice, dear. Yeah. Oh, pressure the rice. I don't know betting. When you see sexy body, it's so more my yes, na my yes, sa. Oh, it's too late. It's too late. Charlie. And long grains, you get it too. So I have to turn it so that both can cook well, you get it. Yeah. Oh God. It's all about Bedianawalkerdoings. Now we there. Now. Hey, Charlie. This life, know who you are. Believe in yourself. Prove yourself to yourself. I love saying it. You don't know it. Because me, I'm a kind of person, I always motivate myself, no matter what. You see, sometimes you have to encourage yourself. You don't have to wait for anyone to come and encourage you. Don't wait for any motivational speaker man or woman to come and tell you what to do. You are your own. Advise yourself. Give yourself credit by saying good things to yourself. You get it? Yes. Since I stay away from bad friends, betrayal friends, evil friends, I have peace of mind. Because these friends I was having, they are evil. They are evil. Get it? So sometimes when you avoid certain people in your life, you will see some good changes in your life. More blessing will come on your way, because you were having negative and evil friends, so you were not improving. But immediately you avoid those friends and your life is improving. Charlie, don't wait for anyone to advise you. Charlie, you yourself, you can advise yourself. My friends have shown me a lot of pepper, so I don't joke with my life, because the friends I was having, I'm not saying all friends are like the same. Some friends are evil, like the ones I was having. Yeah. So this is our rice here. Charlie. I want the onion to smell the rice. Get it? The doings. Rice and our okra soup is done. Let's make another one portion of salad. My selective ingredients, you get it. This is my tomatoes, my cucumber, my carrots. Add our lemon juice. Let's add our vinegar and salt. This is our pepper sauce, hot pepper sauce. You get it? Wanana ingwashefo kotono ingwadano erasa wawasen erasa eninyamhiri yechashina nanazi Shana bo suhin wanana igwashafo kotono igwadamo. Okay, so we are done with our rice. This is the salad for our rice. This is the almighty Okrosoup and the almighty rice. So we are done. Thank you guys for watching my videos day and night. God bless you. Anyone who loves my doing, God bless you. Anyone who likes my doing, God bless you. Charlie, you guys are great. All my viewers, my subscribers, my loved ones, everyone, God bless everyone for watching my doings. I don't have time to portion anything. Yeah.